Today in Crypto. The Freeport Area of Bataan, FAB, is a special economic zone with approximately 42,000 acres of real estate located within a 2.5-hour drive, 55-minute boat ride or a 25-minute helicopter flight from Manila. Currently, more than 80% of investments in FAB come from electricity, gas, steam, and air conditioning supply. On November 11, 2020, FAB granted iWave Advanced Research Group, iWave, the authority to exclusively operate Global Trade Exchange, GTX, a platform that shall allow the cross-border trade and exchange of digital assets between and among international investors, excluding Filipinos and persons residing in the Philippines. This week, FAB has further approved the development and launch of Oz.Finance, Oz, a blockchain protocol which provides liquidity and credit to operators under GTX. Effectively, operators will have access to much-needed credit and capital to seed and upscale their businesses. This transition will take place via two phases. First phase shall include the development and operation of GTX, which shall be offer a full range of services including the exchange and issuance of new digital assets, digital securities, digital commodities and complex financial instruments. Thereafter, Oz shall provide decentralized liquidity, lending and credit to the issuers. Both platforms are scheduled for launch in 2021. Senator Kelly Loeffler, formerly the CEO of Bitcoin, BTC, futures exchange Bakkt, will not be returning to Washington, at least not as a legislator. According to AP News on January 6, Democratic candidate Raphael Warnock has won one of the tightly contested runoff elections in the southern state of Georgia. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Former CEO of Bakkt Kelly Loeffler, RGA, has lost a crucial Republican Senate seat for the state of Georgia to Democrat Raphael Warnock in a special election held on Tuesday in the United States. Loeffler left her role as the CEO of Bakkt crypto custodian firm in late December 2019 to replace Senator Johnny Isakson, who was forced to step down due to health complications. Loeffler's opponent, Democrat Raphael Warnock, has now won the U.S. Senate seat in Georgia, becoming the state's first black senator. Battle for the Senate Tuesday's special election will be a determining factor to decide which party will gain control of the Senate. While Warnock has defeated Loeffler, Senate control will now come down to the vote between Jon Ossoff, Democrat Georgia, and Senator David Perdue, Republican Georgia, who are running for Georgia's other seat in the upper house. Should Ossoff join fellow Democrat Warnock in victory, President-elect Joe Biden's party will gain control of the Senate. Ossoff winning the vote would create a 50-50 tie situation, which would Vice President-elect Kamala Harris to break the tie and give Democrats the upper hand in the upper house. Democrats have also been in control of the House of Representatives since 2018. However, should Perdue manage to oust Ossoff, the Republicans would enjoy control of the Senate for another 2 years with current Senator Mitch McConnell, RKY. In this scenario, McConnell would be in a position to control key confirmation votes for both Biden's legislative agenda as well as for cabinet nominees, such as Janet Yellen, Biden's pick to run the Treasury Department. According to Bloomberg, the Ossoff-Perdue race is still too close to call at the time of writing, but both are showing confidence in winning, with Ossoff threatening legal action should the vote does not go the Republicans' way. Loeffler does not concede. Kelly Loeffler served as CEO of Bakkt from the time of its establishment in mid-2018 up until her appointment to Congress. Despite her rich crypto background, Loeffler has been rather sheepish on crypto and Bitcoin since taking office and has not promoted the nascent asset class in any way. Loeffler has so far refused to concede to Warnock, seemingly following President Donald Trump's lead, who has so far lost over 60 legal battles trying to overturn several states' results after losing the presidential election to Joe Biden. The former Bakkt CEO was embroiled in controversy in early 2020 after the Daily Beast reported that she and her husband, Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, CEO Jeffrey Sprecher, had sold between up to $3.2 million in stocks after she received a confidential Senate briefing on the potential outbreak and economic disruption of COVID-19 virus. An ICE statement in support of Loeffler claimed that financial advisors to the two had made those transactions independently and they were unrelated to the private briefing she received. Ethereum's price has seen a considerable climb so far in 2021, following the lead of Bitcoin. BTC. Ethereum has recently broken past the $1,100 level, taking ETH closer to its all-time high price. Ethereum, ETH, is currently trading at $1,107 at the time of writing, up by over 7% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, Ethereum has surged by over 50%. Ethereum's all-time high price was at over $1,440 in 2018. Almost 3 years ago. The altcoin market capitalization is still currently bullish, according to cryptocurrency trader Michael van de Poppe. He added, the altcoin market capitalization is still looking bullish. The $160 billion retest occurred and was quite swift, after which continuation upwards occurred and a new higher high is established. Holding above $190 billion opens the gates towards the all-time high region. Commenting on Ethereum's price, co-founder of Bakkt recently said, $E.T.H. Going back to ATH may be the easiest 50% ROI in investment history. Tyler Winklevoss, the co-founder of Gemini Exchange, recently commented, $E.T.H. is still $400 below its all-time high. While pointing to a graph of ETH/BTC, cryptocurrency trader Michael van de Poppe explained that Ethereum has bottomed out in the pair. However, it could consolidate further before seeing more growth. The trader said, #Ethereum is bottomed out in the $BTC pair, but could consolidate a bit more before it accelerates towards 0.06 sats. Litecoin has also recently seen a massive surge after the cryptocurrency pushed past the $100 level. Litecoin is currently trading at $159 at the time of writing, around 50% below its all-time high price. In the past week, Litecoin has surged by over 23%. Crypto trader Michael van de Poppe noted that there could be a final correction before Litecoin's bull run continues. He explained, Litecoin in itself has seen a massive rally. I'm expecting a final correction before the bull continues on Litecoin too. Areas to watch for day trades: $133 to $137, $120 to $124. Areas to watch in case of further correction: $90 to $95. The next target zone, $250 to $270. The crypto market can no longer be disregarded by the financial sector, as it has made notable strides. Leading cryptocurrencies Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, have brought the crypto space into the spotlight as more investors, pundits, and traders continue jumping on the bandwagon and converting to digital assets as a hedge. New data reveals that the crypto market's total value is edging closer to the $1 trillion mark. A market insights provider noted, total crypto market cap nearing $1 trillion for the first time. The cryptocurrency market is a force to be reckoned with, as it clinched $130 billion in a span of 24 hours to hit a market capitalization of $980 billion. This sector has enjoyed a roller coaster ride, with Bitcoin, BTC, leading the surge after its price hit an all-time high of more than $36,000 on Jan. 6. Since then, it has retracted to $34,643 as of press time. Its market capitalization currently stands at $670 billion. BTC has started 2021 on a high by reaching levels unseen in its 12-year lifespan. The trigger towards the $30,000 range was pulled in mid-December after it smashed a record high of $20,000 set in December 2017. The driving force behind BTC's bull run is a notable spending spree by institutional investors like MicroStrategy, Square, and Grayscale. Nevertheless, leading American bank JP Morgan Chase & Company has stipulated that this uptrend might just be the beginning of Bitcoin's budding potential if the leading cryptocurrency continues to steal market share and public support from gold, the traditional safe haven asset. In the long term, Ethereum leads altcoins in bullish rally. Ethereum, ETH, has also been pivotal in bringing the crypto space closer to a $1 trillion market capitalization, thanks to a booming DeFi sector and the launch of Ethereum 2.0, The second cryptocurrency recently smashed the $1,000 mark. It is currently trading at $1,104 with a market capitalization of $130 billion. According to CoinMarketCap, this is the closest TTH has gotten to its record-breaking price of $1,400. Other cryptocurrencies like Cardano, ADA, Polkadot, DOT, and Litecoin, LTC, have also gained considerably in value in the last few days, with LTC replacing Ripple, XRP, as the fourth largest digital assets by market cap. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.